In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Windows Defender is not working or loading on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if you have multiple antiviruses installed on your device, I'd recommend just removing them because they can conflict as well as disable Windows Defender. So you may just want to turn them off or remove them entirely would probably be preferable. And then once you've ensured that, again, that would just be through the apps menu on your device. You would open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down and select where it says system components. And then scrolling down again where it says Windows Security, select the three-dot icon next to it, and then select Advanced Options. And then scrolling down on this page, there's a couple options underneath Reset. I'd recommend just doing the second option here. So if it's not working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select Reset again. And then at this point, just close out of here and then restart your device at this time. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.